On the 20th of December last year, MPs overwhelmingly passed the anti-homosexuality bill, which elicited an uproar from gay rights activists and the international community.
If I find them having no mistake, I will sign them. If I find there is a mistake, I will send them back to Parliament.
That was President Yoweri Museveni on Christmas Day in Mbarara. Now MPs say the president is likely to insist on this position during the NRM caucus meeting, slated for 6th to 16th of February this year.
The anti-homosexuality bill which we have passed as Parliament, that one is a done deal. Whether they bring it back or otherwise, we shall still maintain our position.
And I'm simply appealing to His Excellency the President to simply sign it, so that we make a brand of Uganda of what we think about what gayism, about what marrying a man and my woman, about that nonsense. I call it nonsense, please.
But the government chief whip Justin Lumumba says the debate on the anti-gay bill will take place before the Kyankwan's meeting.
Homosexuality bill was never discussed in the caucus. So that means we never generated a party position on that. And in NRM, it is the NRM party caucus that sits to generate a position. When it's generated, it becomes the party position. So we are supposed to discuss that bill before we get to Kyankwanzi.
Nigerian President Goodluck Jonathan on Monday signed the bill that outlaws same-sex marriage and membership in gay organizations amid a threat by the UK government to withhold aid. The Ugandan MPs now want their president to do the same by assenting to the bill as soon as possible.
I have a feeling that the president will gauge the opinion, will sense the support for the bill in the caucus, and he will say yes, he has got his people are for it, and then he will decide to sign it.
The members of parliament in the NRM caucus may convince him so it's not necessary that it has to come back to parliament.
Uganda's anti-homosexuality bill provides for life imprisonment for same-sex relations with a minor, 7 years for failure to report an act of homosexuality, and 14 years for practicing homosexuality.
If he intends to bring back that bill to propose that we amend the provisions relating either to penalties or any punishment or outlawing, in any case, whatever we did, then I think I will advise him humbly that he's taking a wrong direction.
For an aggravated behavior, then this person should also receive an equally detrimental punishment, so that everybody else is deterred from doing the same.
Since the law requires that the president must assent to the bill within 30 days or send it back to parliament, his position should be communicated to parliament within this month. Agnes Nandutu, NTV, Parliament.